Hi, this is Marie Watkins from FreedomLab.biz with another cheat sheet video from the series Video Marketing with No Regrets. Learn to love creating video and reach a larger audience at the same time. If you don't have time to read my blog, this is the bullet point version of my post in just a couple of minutes.
This is the highlight video for the series Video Marketing with No Regrets. Learn to love creating video and reach a larger audience at the same time. Video can be more effective than other marketing methods. And not only for marketing, but for tutorials, demos, and other types of instruction as well. Good news is that video can take many forms, and it doesn't have to take forever to create. That said, the point of this new series of blog posts is to help you become fluent in creating videos for your business and for you to also enjoy the process. You may already know that video is essential to a successful content marketing strategy. It's more engaging than text, and shared more. And your call to action in a video will likely get a greater response. This series has a total of 12 video marketing blog posts. And in them Marie shows you ways that you can create video without it having to be a big production, so you can easily incorporate it in your business content strategy. What to do next? Just click the link below to go to the page for this video marketing series. Or if you'd prefer, you can get all 12 posts to your inbox plus our free resource kit. The ultimate PowerPoint shortcuts, how to make surprisingly stunning videos without a camera. Just click the link below to get yours.